Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, April 29th, 2014. It's now 2:14 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were up. The S&P was up. Price remains in the long-term uptrend channel. It also remains in the consolidation area. This is seen by the light blue rectangle. Support is at 1807 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1885 as seen by the pink oval. The NASDAQ also closed up. Price remains in the medium-term downtrend channel. This can be seen with the lower highs and lower lows. A close above 3600 would indicate a change in sentiment to bullish. The Fibonacci 100% retracement level is at 3441. The US dollar has finally had an up day. Price remains in the downtrend channel though. Support is at 21.24 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, April 29th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and one weak currency. The only qualified pair is the pound yen. Here's our trade summary chart for April. For open trades, our euro pound trade hit the stop loss and the trade is now closed. For new orders, there aren't any new orders, but we're watching the pound yen to see if it will develop into a trade. Let's first look at the price chart of the euro pound. This is our trade that just closed. As you can see, our stop loss at 82.56 was hit, and the trade is now closed. Our one qualified pair today is the pound yen. Here's the price chart. It's been in a long-term uptrend channel. It's been moving sideways for the last couple of months. And here we have a very strong resistance point. So we'll watch this for another day or so to see if it develops into a potential trade. Let's now look at the price charts for some of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Aussie US dollar. It's been in a medium-term uptrend channel. Price is pulling back towards the bottom of the channel. Here's a Euro Aussie dollar. This has been in a medium-term downtrend channel. We're now looking at the Euro US dollar. This has been in a medium-term uptrend channel, but price appears to be pulling back towards the bottom of the channel. We're now looking at the pound Aussie dollar. This has been in a medium-term downtrend channel. Prices moved to the top of the channel. And last is the US dollar yen. Price has been in a long-term downtrend channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening for Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.DonchianTrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the two indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.